Welcome to LS Render. Twinmotion recently released its 2026.1 preview, and among the new features, I'm particularly interested in the photo match tools. This new feature seems capable of replacing Photoshop in some situations, directly overlaying a rendered image onto the photo. Let's try out this new feature together. This is similar to setting a fixed point for adjusting the perspective and moving. Adjusting slightly difficult angles takes a long time. This single-sided adjustment is hard to use. Adding a 3D adjustment method would be better. The first time using Lumen mode, I couldn't set all settings to the highest. Even at 2K, it starts to lag, and 4K is even more laggy. Enabling Shadow Catcher will significantly increase power consumption. Another issue is that the background image cannot be further adjusted, such as color tone. If the background image and the model could be adjusted together, it would be easier and more convenient to use. Overall, I think it's a great feature, just needs improvement. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, guys.